Ganchox is a small factory that manufactures galvanized steel hangers and carton attachments for clothing accessories. Their main objective is to supply Lorsa in order for them to supply their clients. Lorsa is a merchandise company that imports and distributes laundry and dry cleaning equipment. Ganchox produces steel galvanized hangers for shirt, blouse, skirt, suit, and pants. They also produce carton attachments for ties, shoulder pads, and lower parts. The production process is the following. First, they receive raw materials that are mainly steel wire and cardboard. Then they store those raw materials until they are needed for production. When they are needed, they take them out from storing and they feed them into the machines. Once the machines produce the hangers or the attachments, they are checked by human force, and once they are approved, they are boxed.
The company has several products and it allocates the cost to each of the products. The company allocates the cost in terms of direct materials, direct labor, fixed manufacturing overheads, and variable overheads. In Ganchox, the costs are accumulated by orders. This means that they only produce what is already sold. Ganchox's current costing system is absorption costing. Only variable costs of the products are included. This is because Ganchox wants to make a real and precise cost of production. Ganchox uses the weighted average method to allocate its costs. The process of making hangers is really easy. The company has no cost of waste since steel can be reused many times and cardboard is taken back to the suppliers to be recycled.
The inventory system used by the company is the average cost method, and they use the SAI software. The inventory system used by the company is very simple. It only keeps track of raw material inventories and final product inventories. All Ganchox costs of transportation, insurances, and tariffs are covered by Lorsa. The company follows the laws Ley de Impuesto sobre la Renta, Ley de Impuesto al Valor Agregado, Código Fiscal, Ley Federal del Trabajo, y la Ley de Ingresos del Estado de Jalisco. The company has no environmental impacts in its production process. The company's waste enters the category of recolección de residuos no peligrosos. All workers of the company are given a daily salary, which is over the minimum wage, bonuses, vacations, and holiday bonuses. The safety of the employees is monitored by industrial safety measures. Workers have personal protection equipment like gloves, glasses, and face masks, and they also receive training in how to use the machines. There's first aid services in the company, and all workers are members of the IMSS.
The actual costing system that the company Ganchox uses to allocate its cost is called absorption costing. It's also known as full costing, and it includes anything that is a direct cost in producing the good as the cost base. Every expense is allocated to products manufactured, no matter if they're sold or not. To calculate indirect costs, all are added together and divided by the numbers of the work orders. In the case of the company, a weighted percentage is taken, which is 1.2% of the manufacturing cost. Analyzing both systems and knowing how the company works, we consider that it's better for the company to use variable costing, which joins all the fixed overhead costs and the expense as one line item.
After visiting a company Ganchox and analyzing the elements in it, we concluded that the best costing system to be used would be the variable costing one. As well, we consider as an advantage for them to not use the inventory within the price of the product since it reduces the cost and the hangers are produced in a large amount. It will also be reflected in the income statement.